Making of Indian Constitution. Drafting a constitution for a diverse country like India was a difficult task. But a lot of consensus on the shape the democratic India would take post-independence had evolved during the freedom struggle. Despite differences, our leaders were unanimous about making India a democratic country. In 1928, Motilal Nehru and 8 other Congress leaders drafted a constitution for India. In 1931, the resolution passed at the Karachi session of the Indian National Congress defined certain objectives to be necessarily incorporated in the Indian Constitution. Both of these attempts had certain things in common, like inclusion of universal adult franchise, right to freedom and equality, and protection of minority rights. Our leaders had worked closely with the British institutions. Hence, they knew the importance and role of various institutions in governing a country. In 1937, elections to provincial assemblies were held across British India. All popular political parties of India participated in these elections. These were not fully democratic governments, yet our leaders got a chance to understand the functioning of a government. It helped them in setting up and managing our own institutions later on. Our nationalist leaders drew inspiration from various constitutions. They adopted and modified the best of each as per the local needs. Our constitution has influences from democracy in France, parliamentary system in Britain, fundamental rights in the US, and socialism in Russia.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions, and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.